इज वर्किंग अब्रॉड वर्थ इट? राइटर बनने से पहले मैं एक बैंक में काम करता था. मोस्ट ऑफ माई बैंकिंग जॉब वॉज अब्रॉड. आई थिंक आई वर्क इन द बैंक फॉर 11 ईयर्स और सो. 10 साल प्लस अब्रॉड थे, 1 साल के करीब मैंने इंडिया में काम किया. बाकी हांगकॉन्ग, सिंगापुर, आई वॉज देयर. डिड आई लाइक माई एक्सपीरियंस? आई एक्चुअली लव्ड इट. I did like working in the bank for in the end I was done with it, तभी मैंने छोड़ा. लेकिन the experience I had of working abroad was really amazing because of many reasons. I'm going to be tell you four reasons very honestly. One, it helped me make money. Second, it helped me travel the world. Third, it shaped my personality. And fourth, it changed my thinking. So India is amazing place. I love it. It's a great country. It's my country. It's huge. But in terms of thinking, that's the most important thing. In terms of thinking, if you just stay in India, it is limited thinking. You get out, you see the world out there. दुनिया बहुत आगे पहुंच चुकी है, बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से चीज़ें कर रही है, अच्छी भी कर रही है, बुरी भी कर रही है, अलग भी कर रही है और आगे भी बढ़ रही है. तो वो देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जब आप देखते हो तो आप एक अलग तरीके से ग्लोबल पर्सपेक्टिव के इंसान बनते हो. उसकी पर्सनैलिटी ही और होती है, उसकी थिंकिंग ही और होती है. सो दीज टू बेनिफिट्स आई वुड से आर द बिग बेनिफिट्स दैट यू गेट बाय वर्किंग अब्रॉड, विच वो इंडिया में रह के नहीं आता है. यू हैव टू लर्न हाउ टू अडेप्ट टू अ न्यू कल्चर, हाउ टू मीट पीपल देयर, हाउ टू स्टार्ट अ मीटिंग, हाउ टू सिट. It's just really opens you up. I feel it's like an education. So I think it's amazing to do that. And I think travel, like I told you, travel is amazing. Travel is one of life's greatest joys. I mean, I miss it so much because in Corona time, travel has been limited and I used to travel all the time. So I'm almost, I don't know, yaar, kab ye वापस खुलेगा सारा travel? Because when I worked in Asia, in Hong Kong, there were 10-12 countries: Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, Australia, even Japan. We would all go to all these places. I would have never seen it if I had not worked in these places. I would have never gone to these places, and these are some of my best memories. So if you get a chance to work in Europe, you can see all of Europe, or even US. The US itself is such a big country, so there's a lot to see. And then the most important aspect, the first, which I'm explaining last, is the money. When you get paid in dollars, it becomes a lot of rupees. It's not 74 times. It's not like 1 multiplied by 74. Yeah, that's the exchange rate, but things are expensive there. But the saving is pure savings. So if you save $1,300 and you put it in the bank and convert it, that's 1 lakh rupees. And it's the same. Now, saving $1,300 abroad is easier than saving 1 lakh per month in India after tax. After tax and expenses, to save 1 lakh per month versus $1,300 saving is much easier. So over time, if you do this and then come back to India, you have a nice sum of money which you can invest, grow, buy real estate with, buy stocks, mutual funds with, whatever. So that's all a very big benefit also. So that helped me because I saved and that's maybe I lived below my means. एंड उसकी वजह से शायद मैं आज राइटर बन पाया बिकॉज आई हैड सेव्ड एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक ठीक है, अगर छोड़ रहा हूँ, व्हेन आई लेफ्ट माई बैंकिंग जॉब आई सेड ओके, आई हैव सम सेविंग्स, आई कैन काउंट ऑन दीज सेविंग्स एंड या दैट वुड नॉट हैव बीन पॉसिबल इफ आई हैड वर्कड इन इंडिया. सो दैट्स डेफिनेटली देयर. सो वुड आई रिकमेंड इट इफ़ यू गेट अ चांस? ऑफकोर्स यार, मैं तो रिकमेंड करूँगा. जो चीज़ मैंने खुद करी है मैं कैसे कह सकता हूँ कि मत करूँ. नाउ डज इट मीन कि कोई इश्यूज़ नहीं है? बाहर काम करना इज़ ऑलवेज बेस्ट. देयर आर नो इश्यूज़. There are issues. Of course there are issues. Yeah, you get very homesick. You miss India a lot. You can't meet your parents that often because अगर if you are working in a full time job, 2 हफ्ते, 3 हफ्ते, 4 हफ्ते छुट्टी हो जाएगी आपकी. That's too less in the whole year, And I remember having very limited me and मैं जैसे मतलब I would leave as soon as possible. My leave started and come as late as possible. Like sometimes I landed on a night flight, full night, Delhi to Hong Kong, and then gone straight from airport to office after a night in the plane. Very tiring, not recommended. But I was trying to get one more day in India. That's what I missed it so much. So that's definitely an issue. Some places are very far also. Hong Kong was still 6 hours away from India, but like Canada or like US is so far away. Takes a long time, takes a day of travel just to get home, So that's definitely an issue. Food can be an issue for some people, vegetarians, or even just some people love Indian food. They don't want to eat anything else. So, all I can say is जब young हो ना तो life में be open to various experiences. Really, you don't like, the more different it is, it's almost the better it is. Usually the reasons I mentioned, money, travel, personality, thinking change, they're all reasons I feel are good enough to go for it, especially when you're young. And you can come back too. I did, I did come back. So nowadays people go and come back and then go again and then come back. ये आजकल हो गया. पहले ऐसे होता था कि गए तो बस अब चले गए. परदेस पिक्चरें बन रही है, चिट्ठी आई है, परदेसी घर आया, परदेसी. It's okay. Everybody is connected. There's video calls. You can come. Flights. I mean, COVID time is exception, but अभी ये hopefully जा रहा है. And then then the world is connected. So keep your eyes and ears open and consider opportunities, not just in India but the whole wide world. It might be something you need, not just for your career and money, but mainly to open your mind. So yeah, definitely give it a deep thought. I would recommend it. Work abroad if you get a chance. Take care.